guys, it's Jacob Swick, and I'm doing another random YouTube video. And today, yeah, I'm just doing a random video, and those two are held captive over there. And yeah, I captured them. They're my slaves, and I kick them in the butt. Well, mostly one, and then the other, I just rub its hair, as you can see. There's the girl that's I stole, and then there's her. Here, wait, give me this. He'll go like, ugh! Smack lady in the face. Jeez. And yeah, go subscribe to Laney.com, and then go subscribe to No One Likes Me. Because that's one of my friends, but that's not his name. Jason's name is Jace will beat you up in your face. Stop! No!
Sorry.
My YouTube video. Run! Ah! He's attacking. A zombie attack. Okay, so
We should send that.
we should what?
Send it.
Upload it? Is that what you meant?
Yes.
Ow! He's
Let's
trying to
not
ride
send
me
it.
like a horse. Ow!